Stop on response is a feature that stops the campaign from continuing to move through the automation sequence once a lead replies. This can be especially useful for campaigns that you only want sent when a lead is within a certain pipeline. For example, you wouldn't want to keep sending a lead communication to nurture them into booking an appointment if they responded to a text or email and said, "Yes, I'd like to book an appointment." To enable Stop on Response, navigate to the Campaign section of your system. Click into the campaign that you would like to enable this feature for. At the top, you'll see the Campaign Configuration menu. Click that to expand the menu. Towards the bottom, you will see a button you can toggle on for Stop on Response. Once this is enabled, click Save to confirm your changes. Now you're good to go.